red, even.
He knows he's got 3 pounds in his
Place your bet. No more bets, please. 26. Black, even.
Stand by. What we do as the starter.
29. Black,
And they're off for the Paxton-sponsored maiden hurdle race over the 2-mile journey. And the first away from the starter is Ravens Hill. Leads by a couple of lengths already.